The Amazon rainforest, often called the lungs of the earth, is one of the most biodiverse places on our planet. Stretching across 9 countries in South America, it covers over 5.5 million square kilometers and is home to millions of species, many of which cannot be found anywhere else in the world. This dense, green wilderness is not just a forest, it is a living, breathing ecosystem where every creature, from the tiniest insect to the largest predator, has a role to play. In the upper canopy, sunlight filters through the thick leaves, creating a mosaic of light and shadow. Monkeys swing from branch to branch, their agile movements precise and purposeful. Among them, the howler monkeys are especially famous for their loud calls, which can travel for miles, marking their territory and communicating with their troop. Birds of vibrant colors, such as the scarlet macaw and toucans, glide gracefully between trees, their beaks perfectly adapted to peel fruit or catch insects. Below, in the understory, the environment is cooler and darker. Jaguars, the top predators of the Amazon, quietly stalk their prey through the dense foliage. Their spotted fur provides perfect camouflage as they move silently among the shrubs. Tapirs, large herbivorous mammals, wander cautiously, feeding on leaves and fruits while remaining alert to the dangers around them. Poison dart frogs, though tiny, showcase the forest's incredible diversity. Their bright colors serve as a warning to predators that they are toxic. The Amazon is not just about animals, it is home to countless plants that form the backbone of this ecosystem. Towering kapok trees reach for the sky, while vines and lianas twist around them, creating intricate pathways for wildlife. Bromeliads hold pools of water on their leaves, providing microhabitats for frogs and insects. Medicinal plants grow in abundance, and many species remain unknown to modern science, holding secrets that could change the world. Rivers and streams weave through this dense forest, sustaining life and shaping the landscape. The mighty Amazon River, the largest by volume in the world, supports countless fish, dolphins, and river turtles. Electric eels navigate the murky waters, while caimans silently float near the banks, waiting for an unsuspecting meal. During the rainy season, the rivers flood, spreading nutrients across the forest floor and creating temporary habitats for birds, amphibians, and reptiles. Life in the Amazon is a constant struggle and balance. Predators hunt, prey hides, and plants compete for sunlight and space. Yet, despite the challenges, the rainforest thrives, a testament to nature's resilience and complexity. Indigenous communities have lived here for thousands of years, understanding the delicate balance of this ecosystem. They hunt and gather sustainably, using knowledge passed down through generations to coexist with the forest rather than dominate it. As night falls, the forest transforms. Nocturnal creatures emerge from their hiding places. Owls hoot softly, bats fly in search of fruit, and insects create a symphony of sounds. The forest never truly sleeps, and every moment is filled with life and activity. The Amazon rainforest is a vivid reminder of the wonders of the natural world, a place where life exists in harmony and diversity thrives in every corner. Protecting this vital ecosystem is not just about saving trees, it is about preserving an intricate web of life that has evolved over millions of years. Exploring the Amazon rainforest is a journey into the heart of nature, where every leaf, every drop of water, and every creature tells a story. From the treetops to the riverbanks, the forest pulses with life, inviting us to observe, learn, and respect the incredible world that has existed long before us and will, hopefully, continue to thrive long after.